Welcome back. Goa spends highest per child in the country. It is followed by Kerala, Himachal Pradesh and Manipur. According to data recently presented by founder of Central Square Foundation Ashish Dhawan at a conference in New Delhi, Goa spent Rs 45,867 per child, the highest in the country. Narendra Modi's Gujarat is at 16th position.
The expenditure per student is counted considering different aspects including uniform, midday meal, infrastructure, teacher's salary and books, apart from different measures to improve quality of education. Currently, Goa leads this table. Goa spent Rs 45,867 per child, the highest in the country. Goa is followed by Kerala with Rs 37,667, Himachal Pradesh with Rs 29,785, and Manipur with Rs 26,628. Modi's Gujarat spends just Rs 13,562 per child, placing it at 16th position down in the table. However, some education activists have questioned this data. They feel the figure is exaggerated. The salary to teachers is given as per 6th pay commission. Students are moving from government schools to private schools and hence the amount of money spent per kid has come up. If more students were there in government schools, these figures would be much less. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Vaheguru Ji da Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji di Fateh. Goans celebrated Vaisakhi festival with lot of enthusiasm and gaiety. The festival marks starting of the harvest season in northern India and is also considered auspicious for marriage. Vaisakhi holds special importance for Sikh as it represents the birth anniversary of their Guru Gobind Singh.
This festival is celebrated not only in Punjab but also in all the places having a significant Sikh population. Devotees in the state thronged at Gurudwara Shri Guru Singh Sabha at Vasco. This day holds special importance for Sikhs as it represents the birth anniversary of their Guru Gobind Singh. Governor B.V. Vanchu also visited the Gurudwara at Vasco.
मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई है कि मैं यहाँ वास्को के गुरुद्वारे में आया हूँ और इस अवसर पर मैं सिर्फ गोवा नहीं बल्कि सारे देश के सिख संगत को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ और उनको उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आगे आने वाला जो समय है वो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा और सिख संगत जो है आगे में खूब तरक्की करेगी।
For Prudent.
Geet Gomantak, a classical musical event, was organized by Swastik Cultural Association at Kala Academy on 13th April 2013. Renowned classical singer Devki Pandit paid tribute to various Kon vocalists and musicians by singing their songs. Geet Gomantak was inaugurated by Kala Academy's chairman Vishnu Suryawag. missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.